Time for the sequel. Who will be king of the mountain here today in MotoGP? This is the BMW M Grand Prix of Styria. So much happened here 7 days ago in Spielberg, 10 corners, but full of action. 3 left turns in all. The most prominent of those, the 2 left-handers at turns 6 and 7. Best race lap still stands from last year's winner and last week's winner, Andrea Dovizioso. There are 3 main overtaking zones here, but the most famous of all, the last couple of turns, 9 and 10. Great battles in the past between Dovi and Marquez. Away from the main event, KTM's first pole on home soil. Can the pole deliver more glory for the Jarvie? No Marc Marquez, but Nakagami gives HRC hope. The Japanese rider starts from second. Mir was second 7 days ago and wants to go one better from third on the grid. Miller leads the chasing pack as Ducati look to make it 6 from 6 in Austria. A new page turned. It's MotoGP Chapter 5. Good afternoon and welcome back to Austria, the Red Bull Ring Circle in Spielberg for the BMW Grand Prix of Styria. The talking point as we come to you is that big grey cloud just above the grandstand there on top of the mountain overlooking this wonderful Red Bull Ring Circuit as we get ourselves ready for the main event. The aerial display is just taking place here. No fans, but a BMW M4 up for grabs for the winner later in the 900th Premier Class Grand Prix. Steve Dane, Matt Burt and Simon Crayford to talk you through it, and at the moment I'm wondering whether we're going to be talking over a dry race or a wet race. Is that raining over there? It looked like it might be.
Do not say that. Pol Espargaro then will come to a MotoGP grid for the first time, heading to pole position. His last pole before a brilliant performance in Q2 yesterday was his final Moto2 appearance at Valencia way back in 2013. And what a 13 days it's been for KTM. Brad Binder, their historic first winner in MotoGP in Brno now 2 weeks ago. Their first pole position yesterday in MotoGP, and what a day potentially for that man.